What do you hear?
I have birds.
You hear birds.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you hear, Nature?
And train.
You hear a train.
Yeah. So it's
What else do you hear, Sola?
A train. There is train.
It's all gone.
Yeah.
I can only hear.
There's butterfly.
You can see a butterfly?
Yeah. I saw
Wow.
it. It's there.
I see it.
Yeah.
I see it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to be a butterfly.
You are a butterfly.
No.
You are, man.
No, I
And the
don't.
butterfly is you.
No. But I need wings and I need to be
You got wings.
real one.
You're everything. You might not have wings, but you're still a butterfly. Huh? You might not have wings, but you're still a butterfly, dude.
Daddy, stop the ride.
Excuse me?
Stop my ride.
You told me to stop it. You said, Dad, could you stop it? Is that what you said?
Ola said stop it because I want to go to another park
Which part?
by our house.
Yeah?
No, don't like that park.
You don't like that park, so
I want to go to big park.
you want to go to the big park?
Yeah.
The one in town?
Yeah.
Oh, is it now?
No, we don't go there. We want to go to walk with Mom.
To where?
To go walk with Mom.
Okay.
How about we go there for a little while, Dad? I want to go to big park.
You want to go to big park?
Yeah. In a minute.
Okay.
After we have to walk with Mom.
You love big park.
We can go with Mom.
Are you trying to bed me up?
I'm going to big park.
So, are you really trying to bed me up, dude?
Don't like going to big park.
You what?
Don't like going to big park.
You don't like going to big park?
Yeah.
Why?
Don't like going to big park. And go to here. What's that attack?
What?
What's that attack?
Was that a truck?
Yeah. I see birds.
I think so.
Me too. Yeah, I see them. No, I can.
You see birds?
No, I see them.
I hear them. What are you doing?
I can do this.
We might get a great drop.
I can.
Let me see what you got going on.
Them.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Them. Yes. I can. Dad,
Yes, son.
I have a surprise for you at my house.
You got a surprise for me.
Yeah, my house, not in your house.
No.
Not your, I got pie.
What is the surprise?
Yours.
What is?
Surprise is Zola has a new house.
Okay.
It's not for you and Zola, but it's for us to sell, I think.
Okay.
We go to, I think I have a car too.
What?
I think I have a car too.
Yes, of course you do. Where's it, Sola?
I want to go to party, Dad.
You still want to go to a party now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I said to Mom,
What we gonna do at the party, Sola?
I said to Mom in the bed, I'm going to take all Ola's birthday presents and hang out for me and Zola.
You gonna take your cousin's birthday presents?
Yes.
But don't you have your own birthday presents?
No.
What-
I don't want them.
What did you get for your birthday?
I see Bumblebee. I want this.
What did you have for your birthday? What did you?
I had a banana.
A Babalana.
I see Bumblebee.
What did you have for your birthday?
All of his things.
I see the bumblebee, son.
All his things.
And that's my shoes.
And have it for me and Zola. For ourselves.
Okay, but I'm saying, what did you get for your birthday? Why would you take Ula's birthday stuff if you got your own stuff?
I don't want my own stuff.
So can I give your iPad away?
Yes.
Or should I give it to Sola, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll give it to Sola.
I can see Bumblebee, Dad.
Did you hear what Nature said, Sola?
I want.
He said you can have his iPad.
Yeah. Yes. I
Yeah, that's what he said. What did you do for your birthday, dude? Didn't we go somewhere? Didn't I take you somewhere?
Yeah,
Where did we take? Where did we go?
to the banana pot.
To the banana park.
Yeah. I want to go to banana park.
We can, but there's so much poison out there now. The germs, man. The kids they closed it for a little bit. It's closed.
I got a pie. No,
What'd you say, Sola?
I got a pie.
A surprise.
Yeah.
What is it?
Sweetie.
Sweeties?
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds delicious, man.
Ice cream.
All right, blood. That's your 6 minutes.
And food.
And food.
Yeah. And cake.
And cake.
Yeah. Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
Yeah.
And juice.
Yes.
And bananas.
Yeah.
Hey.
And juice.
Okay.
And store.
And straws.
Yes.
Okay.
In case they want some
They who?
store.
Straws, okay. All right.